Hello everyone, welcome back to J Michelle. Oh my goodness, look at me with another video. I told y'all I was going to come back. So today is a nail vlog video. So we're going to get my nails done and you're gonna follow along. I'm about to put y'all on, my nail tech, everybody else.
Yes. So what do you like do YouTube videos and like vlog stuff?
I started my YouTube my junior or sophomore year in college, and I got up to like 300 something followers.
Really?
And then I just stopped.
No, for real.
So I'm trying to get
It does
back.
seem like a lot.
It is like.
But I used to always have interest in it too, because I'm like, it's just
Yes, literally, there's a girl on YouTube right now because I was looking at nail vlogs, like how everybody else doing.
Right.
There literally was a girl with 51,000 views, a day in the life of a nail tech.
Literally.
So you can do that.
Oh
like,
my god, yes. Well, I go on TikTok and they be doing like a whole bunch of crazy stuff and cool stuff.
yes,
Just literally like recording their like all their
clients.
So yeah, definitely want to. It's just like, you know, when you really get into it, it's like, dang, it's really a lot of work. It's definitely a commitment.
Editing takes forever.
That's just a whole nother thing. To even just record it and stuff, you know?
Yeah, but with vlogs, it's a little easier because like you're just going through your day.
No, it's just.
The other ones, is just
I used to like be obsessed with YouTube, honestly. I feel like that's where I've learned everything. That was my TikTok.
Exactly. That was the original TikTok.
Just more like different. Now we're
The shape for me.
I look like a homeless person.
No, you don't.
If your nail tech don't look like this.
Your nails won't look good. Period.
This is crazy.
Honey. Honey.